Alright, name's Brandon King. I have been working on this bike for possibly, I'd say, 2 years off and on now. Rebuilt it from a total. This is going to be my second time rebuilding. And hopefully going to make it a little better. Maybe a little more show quality this time. Don't know. Possibly going to stretch it and show it. Now, I'm not going to pursue the sport bike thing. I'm going to do a show bike, stretched, lowered, which it's lowered now, but you can look up my build on CBR Nation. www.cbrnation.com. You can go to, just look up post by dirtdobberoffroad. That is also my screen name. YouTube and pretty much everything else I go by Dirt Dobber Off-Road. It is December 15th, 6:30 at night, 30 degrees. All I got for heat is a heat lamp. That's it. And I plan on rebuilding this thing in this 8x8 shed. No insulation, metal walls. Wish me luck. Thanks, guys.